please don't play those kind of stuff if you have. But the bezel is low. So this part is very good. It works actually with this device, access to this device, so you can see like Alright, let's take a look at the MUCAR 892BT OBD scanner, right? As you can see, it's already like this special hard case for the unit. This is for professional, the mechanic grade units. As you can see, this thing is great already. I did have so many video reviews. As you can see, this part is already good. It's a magnetic, and as a stand here on the back, you can do it. On the top, USB-C, USB out, power button here. Great device right here. So we have for data cable, splitter for the computer side to run in the OBD side, and we have also for RJ45 to USB. They put a lot of stuff. It's Euro adapters for the power sockets in the US to Euro adapters. That's great. They put all the information here. Instruction manual, how to use it, how to do it with the multiple language. As you can see, all the language. Packaging and the great amount of units. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up first this device, and I'm gonna show you how to read all the vehicles. I like how the design. This part is made like a tough to hold, handle good, but the bezel is a low bezel. And yeah. Alright guys, I did the multiple OBD scanners, but this is the brand new in the market, right? Look at this. From MUCAR, right? It's gonna be 892BT. Reason why they say the BT is comes with a very nice screen like that. All right, and look at this, a very magnetic Bluetooth reader. So it's gonna be a lot of options. I'm not gonna cover all the details. This one opens up like this. On the table you can put it there. On the top you have a multiple USB-C and the power button. So while I'm talking, we're gonna turn on. So this part is very good. It works actually with this device and also with the MUCAR app. So great part of this the product has a built-in screen recorder. So each vehicle you test it, it's gonna record automatically, and you can export that file, watch it later on, or you can just rewatch it on the device itself. So now for the diagnostics, right? It's gonna have a lot of functionality that covers like more than 2 hours, right? I'm gonna just cover what is good and what is like simple stuff, right? So it's gonna be automatically. I'm gonna start the vehicle. All right. So it's automatic scanning. All right, so after you connect it, it's gonna be too much, right? Every single details on your vehicle, it's gonna read, and very careful, right? This unit, it's gonna read, or also it's gonna send the signal. For example, you can adjust the height with stopping height of the headlight, stopping height, adaptive headlight, stopping height of the windows. You can close, open, all this stuff, it's gonna work. Even this steering wheel, automatic adjustments, right? For example, those things, you can read it also on my vehicle. So this one is what it comes, a good part. So now, as you can see, the vehicle is read it already. Automatically search, you're gonna do the automatic search, and it's gonna search if you have a check engine light. It's automatically search, and right away it's gonna give you the what kind of codes you have. On my vehicles, everything works perfect, so I don't have any codes, and it's gonna display my vehicle informations here. That's all the vehicle information, what kind of engine, all that stuff. Health report, the system scan. We're gonna go to system scan, and it's gonna show me what kind of options my vehicle has. This is a fully loaded vehicle, so it has a lot of things it's gonna have. Even the suspensions, you can adjust with like adaptive suspensions. You can lift it, you can lower it, suspensions, all that stuff, right? It's gonna be so many you see that differential control module. Mine is like limited slip. It's hard actually slip controls, but this one is you have electronic differentials, the torque converters. It's gonna be there. So what we're gonna do right here is gonna be the multiple options for the vehicles, right? If you're in American vehicles, all the American made vehicles gonna be here. Europe, all the Europe vehicles going to be here, a lot more than American vehicles. Asian vehicles, right? All the Asia, from the Subaru, Japanese car, everything is here. Like it's huge selection, and it's always the Chinese. And also these companies offers you free update. If you have any updates, for example, it's 2025, next year it's going to be 2026, new vehicle is going to be adds up the file, so you just connect it through USB and update that. So what I can show you is, like, I can show you a lot of stuff on this one. The live data we can show. If you click communications and services, right here, special functions, as you can see, electronic throttle sensor reset. If you have some acceleration or the driving problems, it's going to be reset here. Tire pressure reset. It's oil service light reset. That's great. So a lot of European vehicles you cannot reset. From the American vehicles you can reset, but all the BMWs, Mercedes, you have to drive to the dealer to reset that oil if you're doing your service yourself, right? Those are crazy, and they charge around $90. So couple reset, it's gonna be paid off itself. So steering angle sensors, as I say, like you can do this. You can steering angle, if you see it after alignment, you don't see like a steering angle is not very correct, you can reset that also. Electronic throttle, tire pressure, level calibration, as I say, I can do that, but it's going to take a lot of time. I can calibrate that, so my suspension is going to go like up and down. That's very interesting, right? Sunroof reset. If you have a sunroof, it doesn't close for some reason, or you did some kind of maintenance and it doesn't open all the way, you can reset that. Adaptive force light suspensions, as I say, system, the light, mine is adaptive, right? It goes up and down. So if you want to reset that, also you can reset that. The windows calibration, as I said before, seat calibration, tire pressure, it's a lot of things. Airbag reset, very careful with this one. I watched so many videos, the guys. This unit, it sends the signal to the module, right? Any modules you have, actually. So airbags, you can send the signal and deploy any airbags. Please don't play those kind of stuff. If you have airbags, that's clutch matching. You can even the match. If you have a performance vehicle, you can match the clutch, so on and so on. It's a lot of things. Let me find something. Okay, on the part the maintenance, if you're doing some kind of maintenance, you're gonna open all the stuff right here. Airflow ratio, you can do this connect to Wi-Fi, and through the Wi-Fi you can do a lot of stuff, right? And all the maintenance, whatever the special informations, you can do that. Even the injectors here, this is the gearbox, you're gonna do the maintenance. But tech system is right here, oil maintenance, wiper blades, the seats, so on and on. So this unit is gonna, I'm playing this with this unit like the last time when I unboxed it, I was looking those stuff, and it was very interesting. I was looking at the in and out, and the battery life is long. So another great options when you go to the home page, right? So as you can see on this part is a recording. On the top you have Bluetooth connections, that the device, and the Wi-Fi connections. You have the dim options here, right? And the screen, you can flip the screen upside down here, and also all the diagnostics you did already, it's going to be somewhere here. I'm going to show you in a minute. Remote access, that's good if you have a mechanic shop, so your mechanic is working somewhere on the vehicle. You can actually connect to your through this one connects to the Wi-Fi, and you can with the app TeamViewer, right, you can remotely access to this device, so you can see like multiple mechanics can work together, right? It's really good options for the mechanic shops also. All right, also it's gonna read the live data. So yeah, pretty much you can do a lot of stuff with this unit, right? So if you're in the market for the great brand new and the free update units, this is a product for you. Hope this video helps you guys. If you have any questions, answer on the comment section, and also I put the links on the description. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I'm gonna bring a lot of electronics car related devices.